Hi guys, my name is Francisco and I'm with West Valley Masonry. This is actually our first project that we were able to record throughout the construction of this retaining wall in Discovery Bay, California. Um, this particular project is gonna have drainage, LED lining on the retaining wall. It's gonna have decorative stucco. It's actually gonna be a super smooth finish stucco, ultra white, for a future pool install that the homeowners are gonna have done sometime soon. This is day one of the excavation. We're able to dig out the whole footing in one day, and the hill in one day. This is the morning of day two. We actually had an end dump that was going to haul out all that dirt out for this particular excavation. 20 cubic yards per dump. I actually underestimated the soil that we were gonna excavate from this hill. I had estimated 38 cubic yards, but at the end we dogged out 50 cubic yards, which is a big difference. 12 cubic yards. Always remember to do the math correctly, because whenever you start digging the dirt out, since it was compacted or really good compacted, once you dig it out, it puffs up, so it becomes more dirt, it becomes more material, and you know that's what happened to me in this project. But it's you have to allow yourself to make mistakes so you can learn from it and move on. This is actually the end of day three, I believe. I was doing the layout for the future irrigation or drip system. The homeowners are gonna have landscaping done on that part of the hill. A couple palm trees, drought resistant plants and stuff like that. This is the end of day three right here. Uh, had all the materials arrived. A little late, but we were able to get them on site, thankfully. Yeah, you see my project farm right there cutting all the rebar. Then I went over and helped them, um, helping bend all that rebar for a footing. I just cut him at 5 feet and I bent a 12-inch steel. This will help the retaining wall with support and strength. For this particular pour, for the footing pour, I didn't have to hire a concrete pump because we were actually able to pour the footing with the skid steer. What I did, we just filled up the bucket of the skid steer and just poured into the footing into the mold. Saved us a little bit of money. This footing was 24 by 12 inches, 24 inches wide by 12 inches thick. Massive footing for this small retaining wall, but we always like to go better, go bigger with the footings. Want to make sure it doesn't move anywhere or it doesn't start sinking or anything like that. So yeah, I was just on the end right there, just floating the concrete, making it level and smooth for the guys that are gonna come next day and start installing the first row of blocks to build the cinder block wall. It took less than 2 hours to pour this footing with the skid steer, which wasn't too bad. You save money in some places because you sometimes you have to overspend in other things. So it's always good to utilize equipment as much as possible. Yeah, this footing took 10 yards of concrete. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like this video if you find it interesting. And remember to stay tuned for the part 2 of the project, which is going to be building the retaining wall. Thank you and have a good day.